So we practiced numbers last time. Now we're going to use those numbers for some basic things we can do in Japanese. The first thing we're going to learn to do is ask and tell phone numbers. This is very straightforward in Japanese. We use numbers just the same as we learned last week, with one extra, zero, which, as you might be able to guess, means 0. So the numbers we have are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The only thing we have to keep in mind is that phone numbers are pretty long, so it's helpful to have a way to break them up. When we give a phone number in Japanese, we like to break it up by putting a no in the place of the dash or the hyphen. So for example, this first phone number is 2, 1, 4, no, 3, 6, 9, no, 5, 1, 8, 2. How about the second one? You can pause this video if you want. Okay, let's check it together. It's 4, 6, 9, no, 8, 7, 2, no, 1, 3, 5, 9. How about these emergency numbers in Japanese? How would you say them? That's right. They're 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 9. So, how do you think we can say it in a complete sentence? Let's think back to the x, y des structure we were just talking about. So if we want to say the phone number is blah blah blah, we need to start with the phone number, right? 電話番号. 電話番号は and then the number, and then です. 電話番号は blah 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 です. How about if we want to ask someone's phone number? So this is a new kind of question, but it follows the same kind of structures we've been talking about so far. So we have our x は y です。電話番号は something です。In English, when we ask a question, we have to rearrange the whole sentence, which makes it pretty complicated. But in Japanese, we don't have to do that. We start with our statement, 電話番号は something です。All we have to do to make it a question is stick か at the end. And then, instead of putting a phone number here, we're gonna put our word for what. So, 電話番号は何ですか? 電話番号は何ですか? That means, what is your phone number?